Welcome to CarBuyMe with Camryn, where I give you tips to personalize any model to your taste.
And then we're gonna back up. So you're gonna flip the reverse. And then those are your backup cameras. You've got an aerial view. And your seat will vibrate when you get too close.
Oh, can we test that out?
Yeah, go ahead.
Interesting.
Go all the way back until you can't go back anymore.
Wow! That's actually really good.
And then we'll just pull back out.
But your Nissan doesn't do that.
Wow. View up here. And then this button right here moves back.
Ooh.
All the way back.
That's nice.
And then down here you have an extra space.
Great for your purse and stuff.
And then you have a hidden drawer.
Check it out.
That's fun. I love a hidden drawer. You have a tiny little compartment in here, about this deep. You can stick some keys in there.
Nice.
And then on the back side, they have the bow tie, which reflects on the ground. And you put your leg up underneath it, and it will open up the hatch for you.